Good evening, OPOS stars. We'll continue with our 10-minute appetizer series. We'll make a sweet potato chaat. Let me start the stopwatch and start peeling the sweet potatoes. These are very easy to cook. They cook faster than your regular potatoes. You can use any starchy vegetables for this chaat. I'm going to use a combination of potatoes and sweet potatoes. Just peel away all the black bits. Chop it small, and you can either pressure bake it with water or with oil if you want a slightly fried effect. Hold this aside and start chopping. Just remove all the black bits you find. Chopping them shouldn't take long. Also peel the potatoes just in case. You can use the potatoes with skin. I prefer doing that. But the skin of sweet potato is not edible. Cut into small bits, bite-sized chunks actually. Sweet potato is slightly harder to cut, but cooks very, very fast. Just cut off the black bits as and when you notice them. A slightly larger knife helps in cutting really fast. There you go. Now you can use just oil or water or a combination of both. I'm going to use just oil for a fried effect, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use water instead and you'll get most of this oil back. Don't need to add any spices. Close, cook on high for around 4 to 5 whistles. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this up and get the other stuff ready for the chaat, which is some chopped onions, sacrifice the outer layer for faster peeling. You can convert any vegetable into a chaat using the same template. A bit of onions, tomatoes, spices, whatever vegetable you like, a bit of chaat masala, a bit of sweet chutney or ketchup or whatever sauce you have, and your chaat is done. This will be enough chaat for around 3 to 4 people. some chopped green chilies, finely chopped. And you'll see it has taken us just 5 minutes to get this almost done. Chopped cilantro and I'll take some grated cucumber. Or grated carrots or whatever you like. That's good enough. We've got most of the stuff ready for the chaat. And now mix in whatever masalas you like. Add a bit of roasted cumin powder. Add a bit of chaat masala. Add a bit of salt. Add a bit of chili powder. Mix it all up. And keep this ready. So you will actually get a pretty big bowl of chaat. Let me get the bowl ready. Add all this into a bowl. Add whatever chutney you have. I have some sweet and spicy chutney. You can add some chili sauce if you like. You can add some bhujia, some save. Whatever you like. Clean this up. And let it go for around 3 to 4 whistles. That's 3 and let it go for just 1 more whistle. That's done. Switch off, release the pressure. You can strain out the excess oil if you like or mix it in. It's completely up to you. You see that the ones at the bottom have nicely fried. It's all well cooked. Look at that. So all you have to do is just mix them. Look at that. The ones at the bottom have roasted really well. Mix it in. You can even filter out the excess oil. We added a couple of tablespoons of oil and you get half of that back. And nicely roasted stuff at the bottom. Mix it all up. Garnish it with whatever you like. And you have your chaat ready to go. Good enough for 2 to 3 people. All done in around 10 minutes from scratch. Try this out and please post your validations. You can extend this with almost any vegetable. Potato, sweet potato is common, but you can do this with any of your favorite vegetable. This is a template to convert any of your favorite vegetable into a chaat.